But yeah, it's just Pokemon is crazy when you actually think about it for more than any amount of time.
I mean, I see you giving it a lot of thought. But anyways, welcome back to our Legend of Zelda playthrough, everybody.
Welcome back to you guys. Yeah, so we just did the
Shrine.
Beneath Shrine.
And I failed to climb the mountain.
And now we're going to the Shivanir Shrine.
And we're trying it one more time.
We're doing the Twin Shrine mission.
Okay, much better.
We kind of cheated.
You know what? But, fuck it. Because I told you, I'm not a huge fan of Zelda anyways.
But honestly, how are you liking this game? Besides and to be fair, you have controller issues, but that's because we play this so few and far between.
Yeah,
I mean, don't really get time to get back into it.
Okay, is this the place I can rest?
You should be okay right here.
Okay.
You're good.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay,
nice.
I gotta kind of get the lay of the land right now.
And you're probably gonna. There's probably gonna be some.
I probably just need to climb up.
Yep. There's probably gonna be some baddies that like pop out at the top here.
Oh, fuck off, dude.
Yeah. Just a little bony guys. You just gotta knock off their heads.
Oh, the bokoblins, because it's nighttime. Yeah. Okay. Off camera, I ate that fish meal that he was talking about. God damn it!
Yeah.
Fuckers. Okay, you know what? Fuck these clowns. I'm not gonna deal with them.
Just skip it.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, but yeah. And then we talked a little bit more about how Zack has this vendetta against Pokemon.
It's not a vendetta. It's just
he's talking about technology and stuff.
Because when you think about it, it's insane the technology that they have and what they are capable of doing with it. And I feel like it doesn't get. I don't know, like you'd think you'd have the ability to transport. To teleport. Oh, here, let me
cheat the shrine right now, because...
I mean, unless you want to try to remember what it was.
Fuck that.
This is also... Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
This is the other shrine.
So, from the sign...
Okay.
Oh, okay, hold on. So this one goes into the far end.
Okay, hold on. Sorry. Jesus. We haven't even...
Deep breath, Reed. We're good.
It's been roughly like 40 minutes since we played the last episode, and already I've forgotten everything I just learned.
Okay.
This next one.
That goes into the second.
To the last.
Yeah.
This one right here.
Yep.
Okay.
So this one is gonna skip. You're gonna pull this one out of this row and put it in the first one, right there. The one from the last is gonna go into the third.
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
There. And the last one goes into the fourth one, to your right. That'll do it.
Okay, cool. Hooray, everybody, we did it.
Before you go in there, try to look around.
For the chest you were talking about.
There might be a chest in here.
Is that maybe that side?
Yeah, I think you gotta go up the elevator and like jump down and kind of hook around that wall.
Oh, like glide or something.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Okay.
I feel like when I try to speak, I try to... no, you gotta get off the thing or it's gonna... Yeah.
Okay, wait. Okay, hold on. I think I got this.
Okay. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Nailed it.
Eightfold leg blade.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
My inventory's full. I guess we can't. I guess we can't take it.
Yeah. Oh well. It's not like you wouldn't be able to get one from any of the Yiga clan, but they are kind of rare.
I guess the throwing spear. I don't need the throwing spear. Okay. So select, drop, and then open. That's a big jump from like 12 to like 32 now in terms of like damage.
Yeah, right.
I'm like,
I think try pull it out. Try equip it.
God damn it, Zach. No.
Try, like, and hold it, and let it go. Oh, okay. Is it one of their? Maybe it's not.
No, stop it.
Sorry, there's a blade that when you swing it, it like sends out a
shockwave.
Yeah.
Okay.
That can attack people, but I guess I thought it was this one. I guess it's not.
Okay.
Oh, I see you cheated. Didn't think you'd get here so fast, but you know.
Yeah, well, what can I say?
Like the twin shrine bit is just so that they can get more visitors. Be like, oh, to solve this puzzle, you have to go to my sister's shrine.
Yeah, well,
sorry about that.
What can we say? You know, we got skills.
They're just supporting each other's, platforms. They're various YouTube channels and TikToks and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Speaking of which, you should subscribe.
Well, how about you recommend the TikTok thing?
Yeah, we also have TikTok.
Go make a plugin right now. Might as well.
We also have TikTok and we post highlights and stuff. So, and maybe other stuff eventually. So, yeah.
Oh, he's gone. Goodbye.
See you on therapy. So, and one great thing about this shrine is, first of all, that once you get it, you can teleport to it. But try climb up to the top.
God damn it, Zach.
I know, we're almost there.
It looks like there's a core puzzle.
Yeah. That's not what I meant, but it also works.
Apples.
Apples!
Okay.
But yeah, from here you can
kind of see.
Well, not just see, but you can fucking paraglide pretty far.
I don't have enough stamina for that shit though. That's the problem.
So I mean,
I know what you're getting with it.
When you have more stamina, I guess.
Zach, I know you're thinking the long term. I'm thinking like right now, like in my situation. Like, yeah, I get what you're saying, but I don't have the ability to do anything about that right now. So I'm assuming those red things are shrines.
Yep. And the tall ones are towers. So where would you like to go from here? You want to continue with Impa, or do you want to go with?
You know what? I'm gonna hit those two shrines right over there.
Okay.
And then just kind of build up my little supply of crap so I can get stamina and get, what do you call it? You know, I better just fall.
Well, and I was just gonna say that, like,
if I let go and I can I get the power glider again?
Huh?
If I let go, can I get the power glider again?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Get it.
Hold on. Yeah, I just wanted to.
Yeah. Well, because if you hold on for longer, then you obviously go a further distance.
Yeah.
And then, so typically, what I was going to say was typically what I like to do is I like to wait for till I'm kind of low on stamina, then I'll drop, because then I'll have gotten as close as I can to the thing, but I'll still be as safe as I could have been as far as falling to my potential death.
Wait, I recognize this area. Isn't this the lake with like those freaking Octoroks that I was getting pissed off at?
I don't think so. I don't think we've. No, I don't think we've been here yet. In fact, I think during my playthrough, I had only just gotten to this area fairly recently.
Okay, cool. Well,
but yeah, I don't think we've been here yet.
Got it. Okay, well, I know there's stuff right there, but I'm gonna ignore that shit. I want that fucking shrine right now.
Yeah, there's lots of guys. Nice. You're getting really good at the bow and arrow.
Well, I can only fuck up so many times before yeah. Okay, I think if the course is if I remember the course, the shrine should be somewhere coming up here pretty soon. I think. Because yeah, that's what you call it.
We're on
castle, but this is around the area.
I think if you see where the tower is.
Yeah.
If just below that there's glowing, I think that's what we're going for.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Oh, fuck off, jellies. But I'll kill you anyways because I need your shit. Probably. What do you gotta do? You gotta mix the jelly with like monster guts or something, and you can mix.
The jelly is the monster parts.
What the fuck is?
Oh, he's on a horse. If you shoot him, you can knock him off the horse, and then you can take his horse.
Okay, well let me not like yeah, because I don't need graphics to fuck me over.
Nice.
Get off. I don't have enough work. I don't have enough stuff to take the thing. So what do I gotta do?
I think you're good right here. Actually.
Do I try soothe it?
Yeah. So as you go, kind of soothe it, and then if it like shakes its head, kind of looks pissed off, you want to soothe it then too. And the more you do that, the more it will grow to like you, and the more it likes you, the longer you can go for faster without it trying to buck you off. Oh, right there to your right.
Okay, cool. So we were heading the right way.
Yeah.
Got it.
Woody.
Yeah!
Oh, you can, yeah.
What? Is that an Octorok? Oh, you fucking... I'm gonna cross the bridge. I don't want to deal with this shit.
Yeah. And there's another...
Oh, you motherfucker! I hate those things.
Huh?
I didn't yaw. I was just saying it.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Now I yawed.
And if you hit the A after the 3 run out, it like freaks out.
Okay.
Besides that.
Hey guy, I don't know who you are, but we ignore you.
Oh, I might be in the middle of the river actually.
Oh. Wait, no, I'm trying to go around. I think it goes around. I think I can get closer this way. I think I can. No, you're right, it's in the river.
I think I can.
So is there like,
or is it just shallow? You might be able to ride through it actually.
let's see. Give it a shot, right? What's the worst that can happen? It looks shallow enough.
And there's that.
Okay, so I guess whoa then, yeah?
Yep.
Or do I just jump off?
You can jump off.
Okay, thanks horse. You did your job.
So when you get horses like that, you can take them to the stables, and you will be able to get. You can like register the horse to you.
Okay.
So that you'll be able to. You can make you save horses basically and access whenever you go to a stable. You can access them.
Hi person.
Oh no! Oh, this one sucks. I'm not gonna lie.
The shrine.
It's not the shrine, but this whole deal. Like if you you gotta. If you trample on the flowers, you gotta restart. And
from where?
From there. So
okay. Okay.
And sometimes the area is a little like tighter.
Oh.
I remember. If you do this in like 1, I'm gonna be mad.
Oh, there's flowers right there.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it.
I was gonna say, if you do it in 1, we're mad. I remember this taking me, like, a long time. Because I think I fought some of the monsters that pop up. Like, I fought a couple of them, and they pushed me into the flowers. I'm like, that's not even my fault.
Okay.
And like that, there's no, like, defined, really line. So you just gotta... So many times. Oh, that's right. She freaks the fuck out. Last how many times?
So what, she gonna kill me?
Oh, you don't understand. Why don't you get it?
I could care less.
It's mostly an inconvenience to like watch this happen over and over again.
Okay.
I make you understand. Or does she actually?
Do I get a killer?
Oh, I think she like takes you down to 1 heart or something.
Does she?
Yeah. 1/4 heart.
Okay.
Wow.
What a bitch.
Maybe heal first, just in case. Just in case she's less, nice.
Eat. What a bitch.
I know. She takes care of the flowers, but she doesn't like put them in any sort of way that's nice.
Okay, we'll do that, we'll do this, we'll do that.
Oh, bitch.
I wonder if I could have just jumped.
Possibly. I can't remember if it constantly rains here. Because if it doesn't constantly rain here, you could potentially, like, light a fire and then...
Burn all the flowers away?
Well, I was gonna say that if you, I mean, yes, but also if you, when you start a fire, like, if it spreads, it creates an updraft, and you can use that to kind of, like, flump yourself into the air.
Got it. I can't. Okay, well... Oh, there we go.
Oh, that worked.
Okay. Hooray, we made it.
Congratulations.
And we only got mauled once, so
Okay.
whatever. It's not that big a deal.
I remember it taking much more from me than you just suffered.
Oh, okay.
And then I think even with your lack of control familiarity, you have less stupid fingers than I do. Like, I just want to get it over with.
Cool. Well then, drifting.
The Healer Owl Shrine.
Okay, and there's nothing there. Okay. Anything here? No, nothing.
Oh, there's a chest under the water that you can potentially get.
Oh,
you can. I think you can use
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Breathe! Breathe! Breathe!
I think you have to get onto it.
There we go. Okay. Well,
You can use
the magnet thing, yeah?
Cryonis.
Not
That's not it.
not that. Okay.
Try use the ice.
Okay. So, but how does that get me the chest?
Because if you can like swim to it and climb up to it, and then you'll have a steady. You won't have to worry about time with the raft. You can just climb on it and kind of get the raft to get the chest at your leisure.
The chest is underwater, so
Yes.
I gotta use.
So you use the cryonis to create the pillar, the ice pillar. Climb on top of that, then you use the magnet to get the pillar, or get the chest.
So just make a pillar right here or something.
You'd want to get it closer, probably within that last. Yeah. And then when the rafts come by, get nice and close. I mean, you could potentially create the other pillars to just kind of jump between them, but I think the rafts are easier at this point.
Okay, so what do I do now?
So you want to switch to the magnesis.
No, I'm just gonna hold that in
works,
place.
yeah.
Right.
So switch to magnesis.
Right. I should probably break this one, yeah, because it's kind of in the way.
That's fine. You could have moved it out from under that.
No, because I can just put it right over here, so then I have space now. Okay.
You don't really need line of sight. You just need to access. So you back up, right to it.
Pull. No.
Oops.
Link, what are you doing?
Drifting.
Link, what are you doing? I think you're stupid. You're an idiot, Link.
You're stupid.
Okay, you know what? Fuck it, I'll just do it from here. It's closer now.
Yeah.
Oh, people are probably just looking at this like, God, what an idiot. Okay. Come on, grab it, stupid. Okay, good enough. Drop it. Drop it, stupid.
If only the buttons that, you know, indicate when we're supposed to be done were clearly labeled.
It was a rock. God damn it. I hate you, Zach.
Probably want to break that ice.
Not yet. Okay, there we go. And then break that. Freeze it right there. And we should be good. Okay! Took us a while, but we did it. Finally.
Oh yeah, this is...
Those bombs.
So that chest, you're going to want to use Cryonis right at wherever that chest is. Because that chest is not magnetic.
It's not. Okay.
I remember that was the first time I was trying to do this, I was like, because it's spinning around, right? So I was like, if I just force the chest like further out, I can get it on this little ledge that's gone on the right, and then I should be able to open it. And I was doing that for like fucking half an hour before I realized like, oh, if I just use the Cryonis under it, it will lift it out of the water and I can access it. So you probably want to switch to that. Just like that. Oh shit.
I hate myself.
Let our viewers do that.
Stupid controls.
If people ever needed another reason to get vaccinated against COVID, apparently getting COVID makes you stupid. No!
Actually, that's not entirely that bad either. Whatever, I can kick it open, I'm okay with it. Wow, so useful.
Actually, ISOs can be pretty useful.
God damn it, Reed.
You can climb up the side of the box, too.
Okay, you know what, let's just fucking do this. So what am I supposed to do here?
Bomb!
Okay.
See how it's all cracky. I think if you just... Can you just create another one? I think... my point, I don't think you had to, like, destroy them. I think when you create a new one,
the previous one goes away. Oh.
Yeah, I guess you could potentially like lift the TNT up out of the water and shoot it with a flaming arrow and make it explode if you wanted, but you've already got the ancient bombs.
Being extra sure.
No harm in being extra sure about, blowing something up.
Yep.
You want to blow it up good.
Okay, we did it.
ring.
Hooray! I feel like I should get a little bit of something extra, so she have to deal with that fucking bitch. Just saying.
You got that opal. Yeah. So that's not.
Ooh.
Ooh, I got an opal.
Whatever. I saw there's look like there's some like weapons and stuff inside the flowers, but like how am I supposed to grab shit like that if like that bitch is there?
I think you just gotta try to get close enough that the thing engages.
Can you magnetize them? Possibly.
Yes, actually you can. Yeah.
But like that, I don't think I can grab.
Because yeah, that's like a flower. I think you.
Ah. Okay, but you know what I mean, right? Because there was like that right there.
Yeah, you can magnetize that. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Just like bring it close to you. It's a pitchfork.
Oh. Are pitchforks useful?
They're more useful than not.
No, but for like do they serve any purpose like?
I mean, you can use
outside
them as a weapon.
No, like outside of being used as a weapon. I mean, like
I don't think so.
Can you use it for like farming? Do I?
No, there's not really any farming. But I think for that other that plant, I think there's a thin path on. You're trying to drop stuff.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of what to drop though. Oh god, I'm just doing stuff. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay.
You gotta rein the fingers in. Kind of
drop
whatever they want.
Okay, there we go.
So if you turn around, I think is that a small, like a thin path? I think you can get to the. I think you can get to that flower thing. It's just a little tight.
Oh god, what the fuck is that thing? Come on, jump at me, bro. See what happens. That's right, you get killed.
You get deadified.
Okay. Oh, let's see if we can walk here. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. It's like doing brain surgery. Okay. Big hardy
radish. Oh, that's some good stuff too.
Okay, so it was worth it then.
Yeah. I would either fast travel.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Minus, and then
I would almost just go back to the top of it.
Yeah, it might just be worth it. Let's go to the tower. Yeah, tower's the best.
The tower.
Okay. And then we'll plot a course for the next area at the very least.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, should I just teleport back to the main shrine and just convert the stuff into something?
You can do that if you like.
Yeah. Oh, maybe I'll just wait. I just need 2 more, and I'll just do it. I'll do both of them then. Okay. So map. But it doesn't really tell me anything, does it?
Yeah. Probably should go to the peak.
Okay, well let's look from here.
Oh wait, go to the left. I think
we did those.
No, I think there was another shrine out that way.
This way?
No, to the right.
To the right.
Like more to the right. I think
there's a tower.
Yeah, I think
that was the tower I was going to.
Right, I think if you head towards that tower, I think there's a shrine like not at the base of it, but in line of the base of it.
Okay. I mean? Well, yes, I know there was two. There was 2 shrines, but I was like trying to see from here if there's anything nearby.
Oh yeah.
Is what I'm going at.
Okay.
But I think we've got this area pretty much secure. So I mean, I guess that's the next destination, then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's actually right about just about time, anyways. So
that's true.
How about we call this an episode then? Because we did good.
Yeah.
Okay. So thanks for watching.
Yeah.
I'll continue on to this area, I guess, and head there. Oh, it's nighttime. But yeah, we'll catch you in the next episode. So how about you like, comment, and subscribe? And Zach, you have any parting words? No. Okay.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
I'll see you next time. Complete silence.
And it's your turn, Zach.